Good morning, class. My name is Joseph Abuga, and I'm going to take you through mathematics. Today's topic is gonna be simultaneous equations, and we want that by the end of the lesson, each one of you should be able to form a simultaneous equation and be able to solve the simultaneous equation using one of the methods that we are going to learn today. So, class, have you ever been sent to go and purchase any of the given items from the shop, or have you ever accompanied your parents to the shop and you see them purchase? Suppose that Peter, you are sent to go and purchase 5 kilograms of sugar, and each kilogram of sugar goes for how much, class? Yes, Josephine, 30 shillings. So you are going to spend in buying sugar 5 times 30, which is 150. Suppose on the same day you were also sent to purchase 3 loaves of bread, and a loaf of bread goes for let's say 100 shillings. Then how much are you going to spend, class, for the loaves of bread? Yes, Joseph? Very good. It will be 3 loaves times 100 shillings, which gives us a total of 300 shillings. So, in total, how much are you going to spend in purchasing the 5 kilograms of sugar and 3 loaves of bread? 5 times 30 plus 3 times 100, which gives us 450 shillings. Suppose on the same day another person was sent, this time round Juliet, and Juliet went to buy let's say 8 kilograms of sugar. How much will she spend? Yes, Peter? 8 times 30, very good, which is 240 shillings. Then suppose that the same student was also told to go and purchase 6 loaves of bread, and we said the cost of bread is 100 shillings. So she is going to spend 6 times 100, which is equivalent to 600 shillings. So the total, 8 times 30, 240 plus 600 shillings gives us a total of 840 shillings. Now, suppose, class, that we did not know the cost of each kilogram of sugar, and we didn't know the cost of each loaf of bread, and we abbreviate the cost of 1 kilogram of sugar as T, or we can use letter X. Then we are going to have 5 times X plus, if we didn't know the cost of 1 loaf of bread and we abbreviate it by letter Y, then the amount of money that was spent earlier could be 3Y, which will give us a total of 450 shillings. Using the same letters, we can also abbreviate the second equation as 8x plus 6y, which gives us 840. This gives us 2 equations, equation Roman 1 and equation Roman 2. This is what we call a simultaneous equation. These 2 equations that we have formed here form a simultaneous equation. Now, we can solve this simultaneous equation using any of the methods. Either we can do elimination, we can do substitution, we can do graphical method, we can use matrix method, and today we want to look at the substitution method. Now, in substitution, we take the first equation and make one of the unknowns the subject of the formula. For example, 5x is equals to 450 minus 3y. Then divide by 5, divide by 5. We now remain with x being equal to 450 minus 3y all over 5. Now, from the first equation, what we have obtained is we know the value of x. Take this value of x that we have obtained, substitute it in equation number 2, and you will get 8 into, instead of our x now, we replace it with what we had formed from equation number 1. Then from there, we shall only have one unknown, which is y. When we solve it, we shall get back to the initial solutions that we had, or the initial values that we had, where 1 kilogram of sugar is 30 shillings and 1 loaf of bread will be 100 shillings. Class, that is what we call solving simultaneous equations by substitution method, and I wish you all the best.